In this video, I'm going to show you how to swing trade options on Webull. So the first thing you need to do is open up the Webull app and make sure that you applied for options already if you haven't. So what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom menu, select over here where it says menu. Then scroll down just a little bit until you see this section that says shortcuts. Then you're able to go ahead and press on these three dots that says more. Once you're over here, please go ahead and scroll down until you see this section that says account. Then you're able to select on option trading level, and this is where you're able to apply in order to get options enabled on Webull if you haven't already. So that is incredibly important that you do that first and foremost. So now let's go ahead and talk about a little bit more about swing trading. So swing trading is a short-term trading style that aims to make relatively small profits from market swings that last from a day to several weeks. Unlike day trading, which requires you to watch the market closely all day, swing trading requires significantly less time and energy. Think of it like this: instead of buying and holding a stock for months, or buying and selling it within the same day, you're riding a wave. You hold it for a few days to a few weeks and sell when the price moves in your favor. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get started. So go back here to the main menu of Webull. Then what you want to do is you want to look for the asset that you want to work with. Now, in general, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pick a stock with clear price movement. So swing traders usually select candidates from the most actively traded stocks and ETFs that tend to swing within broad, well-defined ranges. Think of big names like Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, etc. All right, so let's go ahead and work with Nvidia, for example. And by the way, I just want to reiterate that this entire video is not financial advice. These are just practical tips and tricks, and also showing you guys how to navigate the app itself. You always want to make sure that you do your own research and that you do things that align with your personal goals and risk tolerance. In other words, everything that happens is 1000% on you. Now, what I recommend that you guys do is read the chart. And unlike day traders who look at the 5-minute or 15-minute chart, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look at the past hours. Then you want to go over here to the interval and select on 24 hours just so that you're able to better see things that are happening and stuff like that. Okay, then afterwards you're able to open the option section right here. Then you are able to go ahead and select on what you think Nvidia is going to happen. So it could be bullish, bearish, neutral, volatile right over here. So that is 100% up to you. So when it comes to putting a call option, put that if you think the price is going to go up. So if you think the price is going to go down, put the put option. Okay, then you need to pick an expiration date 2 to 6 weeks out. It gives you time for the trade to play out, and don't go too short or the option loses value fast. Afterwards, you should be good to go. Set a limit order, and then afterwards, you're able to go ahead and begin. It's always good to have an exit plan. Most swing traders set a profit target like a 20% to 50% on the option and a stop loss like 25% to 30% before entering. Stop loss techniques can help limit losses, but you can still lose all your initial investment. So again, please keep that in mind and be careful because this is certainly a risky way of investing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.